So today we are going to see why electrical conductivity of ionic solids is poor. Before going to the electrical conductivity, first we should know what are ionic solids, what is the type of bonding present in them. Ionic bonding will form when an atom donates its valence electrons to another atom to get inert gas configuration or to fill their outer energy shells. So the ionic bonding forms by donating valence electrons. So the atom that is donating the electrons will become a cation. It attains a net positive charge. An atom which is accepting the electrons gains negative charge, a net negative charge, which we call it as an anion. So the electrostatic attraction between the cation and anion is nothing but a ionic bonding. This is the small introduction about ionic bonding. Coming to the electrical conductivity, the ionic bonded solids have a poor electrical conductivity because here the electrical charge can be transferred by the movement of ions. Electrical charge. How it gets transferred? It's by movement of ions. And if you compare the ions as well as electrons, the size of the ions are bigger. The size of the ions is bigger than size of an electron. It's because of this, since the size is bigger, they cannot move as easily as electrons, like in metallic bond. That is one reason that the ionic bonded solids have a poor electrical conductivity. One more reason is that, see, if when this cations or anions, we have cation as well as anion. So when these ions are moving, as what happens is that if this cation is coming closer to another cation, since they have a similar charge, they experience a large repulsive forces because of the similar charge. The same with the anion also. Because of this large repulsive forces, the ions cannot move that easily, and they have a size factor also. Because of these two factors, the conductivity in ionic bonded solids is very poor. The first factor is that the size of an ion, and the second is that large repulsive forces by coming closer to the similarly charged ions. Because of these two reasons, the ions, since the ions are not able to move fast, the conductivity in ionic bonded solids is very poor.